This instant sorbet recipe comes together in just 5 minutes, no heating required. After a short chill time in your refrigerator, you'll be ready to churn smooth, artisan-level sorbet right at home. What makes this recipe special is that it's the same cold process method used in gelato shops worldwide, now accessible to home gelato makers through the Fabbri Marketplace. The base is incredibly simple, just sugar, water, and a cold process sorbet syrup called Morbifrutta, optional dextrose as well. Dextrose helps improve texture and softness, which is especially important in colder home freezers. Let's talk about Morbifrutta for a moment. Morbifrutta is a professional-grade stabilizer specifically designed for fruit sorbets. It thickens and stabilizes the sorbet syrup without any need for heat, helping deliver smooth, well-structured sorbets every time. It's what allows you to skip the stovetop and still get professional results. You'll find the link in the video description to both the Fabbri Marketplace and to Morbifrutta. Let's get started. I'll show you just how quick and easy this recipe really is. Once the syrup is mixed, chill it for 2 to 3 hours in your refrigerator and then add it to your favorite sorbet recipe. That's it. This product and recipe is fast, reliable, and the perfect solution for anyone looking to make real and creamy Italian-style sorbet at home without the extra steps. No spreadsheets, no complicated calculations, just real Italian gelato made easy. For more gelato tips, recipes, and tutorials, check out the other videos on my channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Want to learn more? Visit my website for free and premium resources, full recipes, gelato FAQs, and expert support. Thanks for watching.
For the love of gelato!